Welcome to Speak Your Mind, where influential voices share their thoughts on education, languages, and communication skills. In today's episode, we talk about
Speak Your Mind. The Rise of Artificial Intelligence, Exploring Jobs Immune to Artificial Intelligence Takeover. By Dejan Tripkovic. Experts warn that artificial intelligence could replace a quarter of all human jobs in the future. Thankfully, it's not all bad news. Certain tasks requiring creativity, interpersonal relationships, and problem-solving in unpredictable environments are less likely to be automated. Jobs involving genuine creativity, such as scientific, medical, and legal roles, may remain safe. Jobs that demand strong interpersonal skills, like nursing, business consulting, and investigative journalism, are also less susceptible to artificial intelligence takeover. Additionally, trade jobs that involve mobility, dexterity, and adaptability, such as electricians and plumbers, are difficult to automate. Moving into roles that center those skills could help lessen the chances of being replaced. Despite these relatively secure job categories, automation will still impact various professions. Tasks within jobs may change, with a shift towards emphasizing human skills that complement AI capabilities. For example, bank tellers now focus on customer interactions and product introductions instead of money counting, which has been automated. It is crucial to recognize that having an advanced education or a well-paid job does not provide protection against artificial intelligence dominance. Paradoxically, highly educated workers are often more vulnerable to AI disruption than those with less education. For instance, roles related to graphic design and visual art may be at the forefront of jobs susceptible to automation. Basic algorithms enable bots to analyze vast quantities of images, granting AI the ability to swiftly master aesthetics. On the other hand, jobs like cleaning hotel rooms are challenging to automate. Taxi and Uber drivers can find reassurance in their job security for now, as self-driving cars have not yet become commonplace. In summary, seeking employment in dynamic environments with unpredictable tasks can help mitigate the risk of job loss to artificial intelligence. At least for the time being. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this Speak Your Mind episode, please share it with others, post about it on social media, or leave a rating and review. To catch all the latest from Verbalists Education and Language Network, please visit our website verbalistseducation.com or follow us on Instagram at Verbalists. Thanks again, we'll see you next time. Until then, just be yourself, be you, and don't be afraid to speak your mind.